Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set translation on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. You go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here go to the second section, the tool settings, and the last option, the translation. Click that, and here you can enable the quick translate option. Just click to the next white circle, and if you enable that, you can set the target language. Click to the arrow, and here you can select different languages, English, Korean, Spanish or others, and you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.